Hello everyone, myself Vikrant Chandan Shive. Today we are discussing about introduction to cell cycle. What is cell cycle? The cell cycle is a series of events that takes place in a cell. The result giving formation of daughter cells. That means every cell cycle that leads to formation of daughter cells. The cell cycle is divided into two main stages, interphase and mitosis phase. Each cell have different cell cycle, like in case of plants, the somatic cells have different cycle, whereas the gametic cell have different cycle. Some cells they can't divide. Some cells they divide continuously. During interphase, the cell grows, accumulating nutrients needed for mitosis and replicate its DNA. By means, in a interphases, there is a various subphases is there. Each phase have its own peculiar characteristics. So let's see the cell cycle and its phases. So look here, the interphase includes, that is G1, S and G2, these three phases, that is to be called interphases. Okay, in G1 phase of a cell cycle, the cell starts grows. Here we taking approximately 24 hours of a cell cycles. Okay, so in a G1 phase there is a cell spend a rest of the time in a G1 phase, where in this phase the cell starts growth, accumulate different nutrients materials for DNA replication process. In this phase, the different proteins, molecules which help to assemble the DNA or chromosomes, that all are synthesized in G1 phase of cell cycle. So next is S phase. S phase is called as synthetic phase. In this phase, the synthesis of the DNA takes place. That is, here we see that the duplication of the DNA molecules. Next is G2 phase. In this phase, again cell starts with a growing. Okay, and after this G2 phase, there is one more phase is there, that is called as M phase. M phase is further divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis. Okay, and cytokinesis. Apart from these phases, there is one more phase to be called as G0 phase. In this phase, such as cells, they are metabolically active but does not divide. For example, that is neurons. Okay, so moving to our presentation. In a bacteria, there is any cell cycle, that is no any cell cycle. Bacterial divides by binary fission or the asexual reproduction. Bacterial cell duration is 20 minutes. That is, by means each and every bacteria have to divide 20 minutes. In eukaryotic organisms, the different organelle like mitochondria, peroxisome, lysosome, chloroplast, all are divided into binary fissions. By means here there is no such a kinds of cell division occurs in a mitochondria or peroxisomes or the chloroplast. They just divide by binary fission process. In eukaryotic organisms, there are two types of cells are observed. One is a somatic cells and another is the gametic cells. All the types of organ included except some gametic cells, okay, where the such cells go for mitosis process. And some cases the gametic cell present in a testis or ovaries, such cells go for meiosis process. Testes produce sperms by the meiosis process. Ovaries produce egg by the meiosis process. Okay, so and these are the references. Thank you.